Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn a life lessons from Hazrat Musa alayhi salam life. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam life depend on courage, trust, standing for truth. The life of Musa alayhi salam is one of the most powerful and detailed story in the Quran, filled with lessons that guides us on how to live with purpose, courage, and faith. From his early life under the oppressions of Pharaoh to leading the children of Israel toward freedom, Musa alayhi salam faced immense trials. Yes, through every challenge, he showed us how to rely on Allah and remain steadfast. One of the greatest lessons from Musa alayhi salam is courage in the face of fear. When Allah commanded him to go to Pharaoh, a tyrant who claimed divinity, Musa alayhi salam did not feel fearless. In fact, he openly expressed his fear and asked Allah for support, including the help of his brother Harun alayhi salam. This teaches us something very important. Courage does not mean the absence of fear. True courage is moving forward despite fear, trusting that Allah is with you. In our lives, we often avoid difficult conversations, challenges, or responsibilities because we feel afraid. The story of Musa alayhi salam reminds us to step forward with Iman, even when the situation feels overwhelming. Another key lesson is complete trust in Allah. One of the most iconic moments in his life is when he stood at the edge of the sea with Pharaoh's army behind him. No visible escape ahead. The people around him panicked, but Musa alayhi salam said with full conviction, "Indeed, my Lord is with me. He will guide me." This unwavering trust led to one of the greatest miracles, that parting of the sea. In our daily lives, we may not face such dramatic situation, but we often feel trapped by problems, stress, or uncertainty. Musa alayhi salam teaches that when we rely on Allah sincerely, He opened doors we cannot even imagine. Patience and presence are also central themes in his history. Leading the children of Israel was not easy. They often complained, disobeyed, and showed ingratitude despite witnesses miracles. Yet Musa alayhi salam continued to guide them with patience. This shows us that dealing with people, family, friends, or colleagues requires sabr. Not everyone will understand you or support you, but consistency is doing what is right matters more than immediate results. Another powerful lesson is standing up for justice and truth. Musa alayhi salam did not remain silent in the face of zulm. He confront, he comforted Pharaoh and called him toward truth, when though it was dangerous. Today, many people stay quiet when they see injustice because it is easier or safer. His life teaches that speaking the truth is a responsibility, whether it is defending someone who is being treated unfairly or standing up for what is right. In your environment, your voice matters. Musa alayhi salam also shows the importance of seeking knowledge and humanity. In the story of his journey with Khidr alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam learned that knowledge is vast and that even a prophet can learn from others. This teaches us to stay humble no matter how much we know. Always seek to grow, listen, and learn. Arrogance blocks progress while humanity opens door to wisdom. Finally, his life emphasized building a meaningful relationship with Allah. Musa alayhi salam was honored to speak directly with Allah, and this closeness came through devotion, sincerity, and obedience. While we may not reach that level, we can strengthen our connection with Allah through prayers, remembrance, and sincerity in our actions. In conclusion, the life of Musa alayhi salam teaches us to be courageous, trust Allah completely, remain patient with people, stand for justice, seek knowledge with humanity, and stay connected to our Creator. If we live by these principles, we can navigate life challenges with strength and purpose, justice as Musa alayhi salam did. Hope we will learn a lot from Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, how we can live with these life lessons with the courage, trust, and standing for truth like the Hazrat Musa alayhi salam did. Allah Hafiz.